Memamoti asiyese na watchwe the Attorney General in the person of Honorable Dr. Dominic Akurutinga Ayini emeti face to face with the Ghana Bar Association. Na Ghana Bar Association for omo annual conference ewo wa. Na mra Attorney General no emeti omo no ene dia wan mense west kra obonadwen etre womo. Because yesterday I did reactions a Ghana Bar Association for the Ghana for can form. Now if there's one thing Ghana for the Free Ghana Bar Association and you will deem back Ghana for the Free Ghana Bar Association, it is the name hypocrites. Ghana for a Free Ghana Bar Association for so muye hypocrites or muye nyachum for. Nini na get to talk on the removal of get to talk on nsemo wa mo kano. Na Attorney General Asia woman or the nsembi etutuja and your wabon adwin etre womo. Na adwin a wabo tre womo no. Mensa aka the transcript. Na yebekenkan nini na ne yahwe seni Attorney General no through fire Emma Ghana Bar Association. Inti ano ne no. Na answer na meto aso na mesre obi bia wo tie me no you know yourself. Na se wo tie me na wo wait ana we fuso a enya adepa. Na Dr. Samaya tiasiese na nsen enkrofo wu a wo mu ene yare don bebre te say cancer ne diabetes ne BP atiase stroke a eba nipa so no nini na no eyefu kese ene de sade ne ba. Na ohwe comment box ni there is a book there eye book amianka samatro. Na eye journey enyama miensa me ye ya me dey reduce the size of my stomach. Na pe book ni binato. Auto book no now yeah nyama ewo book ni mo me ma just 1 month you see how your weight and then your stomach will reduce. Nkrofo bebre auto book no catch me say just within 3 days 4 days omo the drastic change. Na me ma say auto book no na say 1 month udi super pepe na bibie nsia I will refund your money to you. That is how I trust in the book. Into no our comment box and so only makenkan don't worry. Book no ya yebi ewo twi video emu into click link no comment box ni mo a obehu eno na sa won besa obe click link no na unim onye tech savvy person a number na that screen so no 0558074986 obetumi a WhatsApp and obe free just WhatsApp I need the book me am free ni akasa and then you get to have the book what you say yan concept ni mo now this is Dr. Dominic Akurutinga Ayini. The Ghana Bar Association is not merely a professional body. It is the moral compass of the legal fraternity and a key pillar in the construction of our constitutional democracy. As Lord Denning once wrote, justice must be rooted in confidence, and confidence is destroyed when right-minded people go away thinking that the judge was biased. The same applies to the bar. Our authority as a profession depends on public confidence that we stand above the fray of narrow partisanship. To hear the opening statement of Dr. Akurutinga, edini yeme de papa men kanda damo Akurutinga, say edini yeme de rough. Uti nsemu a woka. Osi Ghana Bar Association no mo mu hu ne say eye just professional body. Eye the moral compass of the legal fraternity ewo Ghana ha. Na judge bi wo hwa ye friend Lord Denning. O de nsem bi tuja. O say justice must be rooted in confidence. Se ye di asem a asem no akukuduro ene wo se ye di asem no. O say the confidence is destroyed when right-minded people go away thinking that the judge was biased. Ghana fo a omo ye right-minded, omo pe adepa epepepepe yo. Omo kotena se no mu hu se judge bi di asem no mu hu se judge we na asem de wato afa nchen a enkrofo confidence a wo mo e wo judiciary nim no etito. That is why under President Akufo-Addo polls bebre survey bebre a civil society organizations here no mo ka say Ghana fo elusu trust in the judicial system because ye ni na ye hu say case we na nka say na wo say ekọ na so judges ne kotena case ni so no omo di ni say answer na me sa story we no na me hwe answer na me sa story we no me hwe interview a and ma hwe do 33 minutes a 1 hour interview of KSM. Waye Tadosori. Now what ye Tadosori in Semwa Walker whenever or no Tadosori no ekoko shia get to talk onu ewo court na get to talk onu di ne case senya get to talk onu enyama bia wo ma or no Tadosori efe mu na obehun say yes enya asem ketwa ensem hihye nipa bo na nipa na empese be kasa obi ankonkwohwe sa interview no. Anyway, yento aso see, over 3 decades have passed since the adoption of our constitution. During this period, our republic has tested and continues to test the resilience of its democratic institutions. In doing this, the bar has played a crucial role in assisting the Supreme Court to interpret and enforce the constitution. But outside the courtroom, the advocacy of the bar as a professional group has lacked consistency, bringing into question its adherence to principle. When in 2015, an Article 146 petition was received by the Chief Justice in relation to the former chairperson of the Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice, Ms. Loretta Lamte, the bar failed to speak out about process. In the run-up to the 2016 elections, the then opposition New Patriotic Party engaged the Electoral Commission in court battles over the voter identification system. This gave rise to the Abu Ramadan line of cases. Immediately upon assuming office in 2017, an Article 146 petition was filed for the removal of the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Mrs. Charlotte Osei, and her deputies from office. The bar saw no basis to speak out about compliance with due process. But in recent times, the bar found its voice when petitions based upon the same constitutionally defined procedures were brought in respect of the removal from office of the former Chief Justice, Mrs. Gertrude Araba Tokonu. What changed? Inti yen na ye read this part no wakasa about the Bar Association or hypocrisy. What as I say case ni BC, and we've talked about that already. Now, to us, I say the quasi-constitutional status of the bar places it squarely at the center of our state bureaucracy, and by extension, our politics. This deprives the bar of the requisite independence to be truly professional. This constitutional grant of privilege, or if you wish, of rights, creates an incestuous relationship between the bar and the state, a relationship that does not exist between the state and other similarly situated professional bodies. In pursuit of the reset agenda of the government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I will be submitting the Legal Education Reform Bill to Cabinet this month. The main objective of the bill is to widen access to legal education and to provide quality of opportunity to our countrymen and women who aspire to become lawyers. And aside the fact that all Ghana Bar Association, he's also doing something good. One of the professions that what Ghana ha, so person babe dania obre the law profession. Obe ko school ha, near school no exam say ni muni na ye say so muni na mo wi Ghana ni na na so mo ba school ba kope eye makola e de na no kra no you sa monopoly no aban we person sesa no, and I think it is good. Maybe if you to me yes na and kra be bo ma yen mu bi no kra na yetumi akwa ko read law no, because some of us yes no go through all the stress and now makola, but say me come law school e wo baby na metumi ewie ho no na ma ba be dane lawyer say ho no e ya de pa na me pe law school bi e ben me na makọ ase, and I think that is better. That's the new thing about the person deba. I say the bill will hopefully achieve this objective by introducing a 1-year law practice course to be administered by accredited law faculties. Upon obtaining the Bachelor of Laws (LLB) degree from an accredited university, a student will then enroll in the law practice course in the same university for 1 academic year. And so here, emra wa modeba uwie school na uwie na what you say a hona na trese why or accreditation na wa practice e wo hona, no need for makolane science and semno. The law practice course will focus exclusively on the subjects that are practical in nature. Civil procedure, criminal procedure, advocacy, and professional ethics, and the law of evidence. These will constitute the examinable subjects to be taken at the National Bar Examination that would be administered by the Council for Legal Education. In essence, when enacted, the bill will cut duration of legal education from 5 to 4 years. In the end, the person who lawyer ewa Ghana ha 5 years, but the new bill way ba obeba be done lawyer in 4 years, and I think that it is good. And so this is what Mr. Honorable Dr. Akuru Tinga. For the tuja. Muntra ma your comment box ni mo. Me da se.